Hello everyone, welcome to my first Frosty Editor BFN tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new character class. First of all, what you're going to want to do is go to Gameplay, Kits, we'll do Plants, we'll copy Acorn's class, and we'll do Iceberg Lettuce. So we'll do Iceberg Lettuce class, or whatever name you want. Next what we want to do, open the class, and then in the character blueprint, go find that. Type in ice plant. There you go. Put that in there. Okay, next up, you're going to want to remove the skins, costume sets. For the visual customizations, we only need the one, so we'll get rid of the second one. And then we'll change to visual non-selectable. Remove all except for the first one. And then replace that with her body customization. Post-recording Vajoinga here. I forgot to tell you to disable selectable, since this is a non-selectable item. So just go ahead and do that. After that, since this was copied from Acorn, we have to remove the deployable character customization. So we'll do that. For her weapons, we'll grab her primary, Snowflake. Put that in there. For her secondary, we'll just copy and make a new one. And we'll rename this to weapon underscore zoom with a slot of 4. And then we'll grab her zoom weapon, put that in there, close these out. We'll change the ability left to be the backdash. For her middle ability, we're using the shield. And then for the third ability, we'll be using the healing ability. It was a cut ability, but since we have to create a new unlock asset, that's outside of the scope for the video, so we'll be using that. So here we are, self heal. For additional weapons, we will remove those. Perks, we'll keep them the same. And then for categorization, this is pretty important. The first number in the first number here, for what I can tell, it doesn't seem to matter, but good rule of thumb is just double the number that's the highest in that category of character. You know, the offensive, defensive support. In this case, Citron has a number of 128, so in this case we'll do 256. And then the 7 number, that number is what category you are in. So again, offensive, or attack, defense, support. So they use defensive use 256. So we will keep it 256 here. Attack uses 128. And support uses 1024. The parents, I'm not too sure what these do at the moment, but every class seems to have 0 as 3 and 7 as 64, so I would say keep that the way it is. Next up, we'll be putting the character into the all playable character class assets. Since this goes in alphabetical order, we'll put her underneath Corn. And then next up we need to put her inside of character shared bundle assets and the plants team. There we are, so we'll just open this up, go to the bottom, add a new item, and add her class. And then last up we'll put her into the teams. Since she comes after Acorn, we'll put her, well, after Acorn. So here we are. We've now got 2 Acorn images in Defend. And here she is. Spawn in, shoot, backdash, shield, and for the sake of the video, the healing. So there we are. That's how you create a new character class in Battle for Neighborville. If you would like to know how to change the character image, that will be coming in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Until then, have a good day.